want you to start practicing saying your wants out loud. This retreat is a really powerful opportunity for people to pause on writing the story of their life. For you to pick up the pen for a moment and just reflect. Where am I? How did I get here? What are the patterns that I'm in that are keeping me here? And how can I pivot a little bit? I need you to be able to name your want in about 15 seconds.
What if you smiled like that every
Yeah, what if you sat right next to Mark Cuban?
So many of us get so stuck in our lives where when people start to spout ideas, our first thing is why it couldn't happen. All I'm asking you is for 2.5 minutes, I need you to think about why it could happen.
Yeah, what if I gave you your own TV show?
Because I had the space and the time and the permission to have conversations with myself and think inwardly and intrinsically about what am I trying to do and what I want. I got emotional and like I said, that was sometimes good and happy and bubbly, and then sometimes it was scary and open and real.
What if you were named Times Person of the Year?
For me personally, verbalizing it, that was the first time I had ever done that. And it was kind of a game changer.
Well done, well done, well done. Yes! I would consider myself to be an optimist for others, but a pessimist for myself. And so to have to really sit there and take the possibility and the beauty of the possibility, I remember being quite overwhelmed.
What I love about James is that he shared so vulnerably and authentically about his story and his life, and that really gave me permission to get real with myself and really unpack some of those things that have maybe been holding me back. And that certainly allowed me to do a lot of that work on myself that I needed to do today, and having the support from the other people in the workshop has been wonderful.
I came in today open but also apprehensive. I think I've been avoiding a lot of the things we confronted today. The great thing about being here was that I realized I'm not alone. There were a bunch of other people who were pondering the same sort of things, and so I feel like I left here with a clearer direction of where I want to go.
Picture it. Get out of your own way.
Today was all about yourself and giving your permission, grace, and space to really think about what you deserve in life, and then ending on a note that I think you can kind of feel in the room that was palpable. Everybody was ready to take the next step.
Taking time to invest in yourself and understanding where you're at is so valuable, because as an entrepreneur and as a business owner, I'm so busy going that I never stop and think and strategize about the future. And I guess that's really, for me, what today has allowed me to do.
Today was a bunch of human beings talking about being human beings with other human beings. And it was beautiful.